Hello everyone, this is Group 2. Firstly, it is a great honor to be here to share some points to you. In today's topic, we'll show you really useful stuff that we created. So let's move to the content. As you can see, the different parts distribute to the specific guides. Previously, please allow me to introduce the introduction of the invention. Colloidal gold can be used to examine basic human disease due to its chemical properties and indispensable material for daily basic medical care. At present, the first medical item of physical examination is urine routine, tumor screening, and other condition examinations based on the colloidal gold. In this project, we will build a simple colloidal gold detection tool to help areas with limited medical resources detecting major disease more quickly and accurately to eliminate hidden dangers. This is also because colloidal gold is easy to store, has accurate results, and is rich application scenarios. In this part, it is talk about atmosphere, how to use the invention. Colloidal gold can be used to examine basic human disease. So in places where medical resources are scarce, especially in remote areas, lack of access to modern medical services means people face significant health challenges. In these places, where medical facilities and healthcare professionals are scarce, basic screening for physical illness is often unavailable, which can have serious consequences.
Now let me introduce the product design. Plastic container is used for collecting urine samples. Urine strips is the core component of the kit. Contains multiple chemical constituent areas sensitive to specific chemicals in urine. Indicates various health indicators through color changes. Test container is used for waiting for test results. Absorption pipe placed under the urine test strip observes and disposes urine to prevent spillage and mixing between reagent areas. Avoids cross-contamination and ensures test result paper lid closes the top of the test container, features a rectangular hole for the observing the color change of the urine test strip. Observation window. In order to observation the color change of the reagent region without touching the test strip, we prepared an observation window and the color card. Color card has series of color strips printed for comparison, used to interpret levels of the specific components in urine by comparing with urine test strip color. And this is a simple description of how the product is used. In developing countries, especially in rural areas of African and Asian, traditional medical resources are very limited due to the lack of medical infrastructure. This low-cost, easy to transport urine test kit can be quickly deployed to these areas to provide an initial health screening, greatly increasing the penetration of health monitoring. The recyclable materials used are designed to reduce medical waste and are environmentally friendly, in line with the global trend to reduce plastic use, especially in countries with inadequate medical waste treatment facilities. In global outbreaks such as COVID-19, this case can be used in initial health monitoring at home, reducing the need for people to travel to the hospital and reduce the risk of cross-infection. In communities where cultural practices limit women's access to health care, the kits offer a private, portable way for women to get health checks, such as pregnancy tests or initial diagnosis of urinary infections. At the same time, it also raises global health awareness and help people better understand their health status, especially for the early symptoms of the chronic diseases, such as diabetes or kidney disease. Finally, due to its cost effectiveness, the kit can be widely used within limited public health budgets, reducing the dependence of low-income countries on expensive healthcare systems.
Hello everyone, my name is Luo Lei. Welcome to my presentation. My topic is how to build, produce, and close in world. The first step is to remove the temple from the plastic case. To the plastic cast out the real size. This stamp may seem simple, but it's very important because the simple is very important. The next thing is to the paper in plastic reading size and the shape of the lid. This is most important because the position of the test paper will the final use. The final simple is set up. The next topic is expand the list. For example, cup is 0.5 yuan. Paper cost is 0.5 yuan. The temple is 1 10 yuan. Glow is 1 10 yuan. The text paper is filled at the UKM hospital. Rest reface thread is 0.5 yuan. Thank you. You listen to my presentation. Thank you.
My name is Chen Zecheng Hao. Thank you. 1. Material problem. The textbooks materials of the work are not very strong, such as plastic, carotene, and ordinary adhesive. If plastic, cartoons, and adhesive are used. Leakage and inaccuracy test results may occur easily due to poor sealing efficacy or the deformation. You can choose to use a better acrylic box or a better cardboard box with a plastic film and a reusable material and a strong glue to hold it in place to product better results. 2. Design problem. In the interior work, we want to make a square nozzle for liquid injection, but such noise will lead to the inaccurate inflow of urine. And when it comes to objects that absorb urine, we initially plan to use a simple sponge, but this will take into account that the results will be inaccurate if the liquid cannot be fully absorbed. Okay, thank you.
This is my picture presentation. This is the final imaging made by our group, and you can see 5 kitties, 5 urine retention cups.
In order to verify whether the product we designed is feasible, we invited 5 students to conduct a verification experiment, and here's the review.
We have 5 students do this test, and it's very easy for them to operate it. Just use the container to collect their urine, and then pour the urine into the injection port. And after 1 minute, we can read the result through the comparison result table. Now we can see the result. First one, the NIT is positive. A second one is normal. The third one, blood is positive because she is on her period. And the fourth and fifth, the KET is positive.
Hello everyone. That next part I'm going to talk about is the conclusion part. What led to birth of this idea? After our research and with 2 formers, we found that there are remnants of impoverished race where there is a shortage of medical research due to lack of transport, persuasion, and other issues. So our group come up with the idea of the cloud kit. That result would be convenient to use will make sure that basic medical samples are available. The following is the brief summary of the idea, which we hope is meaningful and can create a beneficial impact on the world. That's all for Silent Show. Thank you for watching.